Once upon a time, there were two successful food and beverage manufacturers. Everything was fine with their business as is. Dave had his customers, and Paul had his. Then one day, a traceability code expert came to visit. He talked about Domino's Relax financing program, but only for a minute. Dave said, "We have no need of you. Our coders are old and depreciating too, and while not perfect, the quality will do. And besides, our customers are content. They would never pay another cent." While hearing the advantages of the program, Paul says with glee, "So we get new technology, included service, and total cost of ownership, I can see. Now, reduce my downtime, spares cost, and maintenance fee." According to Paul's bosses, he's producing much more. And because of fixed scheduled payments, they're realizing profits like never before. But unfortunately for poor Dave, one day there's a crash. His factory and trusty equipment have now simply become trash. Dave can't fix the old girl. His future's gone astray. His once happy customers are fleeing and moving away. So, the moral of the story that is to be told, it's difficult to change and hard to be bold. But to stay competitive, your customers must come first. If improving manufacturing is what you thirst. And giving the best to your customers will make them smile. Because Domino's Relax program lets you go the extra mile.
Hi, I'm Trevor Benson, Chief Bean Counter here at Domino North America. We all agree what we do now needs to be done more efficiently and effectively. That's why we developed the Relax financing program. We can show you how you can improve your production with new efficient printers, no capital spend, while eliminating all those unexpected costs. So sit back, grab your favorite cup of coffee, and start relaxing, and contact Domino.